Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana, you know the vibe, we see you looking. You should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills. Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be making a butter pound cake. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 cups of sugar, Baker's Joy non-stick baking spray with flour, 3 sticks of butter at room temperature, 1 cup of whole milk at room temperature, 5 eggs at room temperature, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of lemon extract, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. For our butter drizzle, we're going to need 1/4 cup of water, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 3/4 cup of sugar, and 1 stick of butter. To our 3 cups of flour, we're going to add in our teaspoon of baking powder and also our 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And we're just going to whisk it together until it's well combined. Once you're done, you can set it to the side. Okay guys, I'm going to be using my stand mixer. And we're going to be using the paddle attachment. If you don't have a stand mixer, it's okay. You can use a hand mixer. I added my 3 cups of sugar. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in our 3 sticks of butter. Now I'm going to attach my paddle attachment. Okay guys, now we're going to cream our butter and sugar for 3 to 5 minutes, and we're going to scrape our bowl halfway through. We're going to put it on medium. Okay, we're just going to take a spatula and pull everything from the sides into the center. Okay guys, this is what it should look like. Now we're going to begin to add in our eggs one at a time. You want your speed to be on low. Now we're going to begin to add in our flour mixture. Just going to add in a little at a time. You're going to make sure it's mixed and well combined. Then we're going to alternate it with the milk. Then the flour, then the milk. You want it to be on low speed. Now we're going to add in our milk. Just a little bit. Remember, we're going to alternate to our flour, then our milk until all of our mixture is in. Okay guys, now we're going to put our speed on low. We're going to add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and 2 teaspoons of lemon extract. And we're just going to let that continue to mix until it's well combined. Now we're just going to take our spatula and we're going to mix it until it's well combined. Okay, now you want to set your oven to 350 degrees. I have a bundt pan. If you don't have a bundt pan, it's okay. You can use 2 loaf pans and just divide your batter into both of the pans. So now I'm just going to spray it with my Baker's Joy non-stick baking spray. Okay guys, make sure you spray your pans really good. So now I'm going to pour my batter in. Okay guys, all you want to do is go ahead and shake your pan to make sure everything is nice and even. You can put it in your oven, 350 degrees for 1 hour. Okay guys, our pound cake is now out the oven. So now we're going to make our butter drizzle. In a heated saucepan, I'm going to add in my stick of butter. And we're going to let that melt. Once the butter has melted, we're going to add in our sugar. And we're going to mix it until it dissolves. You want your heat to be on medium. Now we're going to add in our vanilla extract. I'm going to go ahead and give that a mix. Now we're going to go ahead and add our water in. And we're going to mix it and we're going to let it come to a light simmer. Now you want to let it simmer 1 to 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you can turn off your heat. Now, while our pound cake is still warm, we're going to go ahead and drizzle our butter mixture over top. Now we're going to let our pound cake sit for 12 minutes to soak up the butter drizzle. Okay guys, this is after 12 minutes. Look how nice our pound cake looks. So I'm going to go ahead and cut into it. Okay guys, so look at the inside of this pound cake. It tastes really good. It's nice and moist. And it's full of flavor. Okay guys, so if you put this in an airtight container at room temperature, it'll last for 4 days. And if you put it in an airtight container in the refrigerator, it will last up to 7 days. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following.